Hello friends, welcome to my channel Mamali Tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn about some important facts of human body. Let us learn length of alimentary canal, that is approx 8 meter. Then BMR, that is basal metabolic rate, that is 1600 kilocalorie per day. Number of cells in a human body, that is 75 trillion. Longest bone, that is femur. Which is present in our thighs. Smallest bone, that is called stapes, also called as ear-ocicle. Then weight of brain, that is 1400 grams. Blood volume in a human body, that is 6.8 liters in a 70 kg body. Normal blood pressure, that is BP, 120 by 80 mmHg. Lifespan of RBC, that is red blood cells or corpuscles. That is 120 days. Lifespan of RBC is 120 days. Lifespan of WBC, that is 3 to 4 days. Its full form is white blood corpuscles or cells. HP content in body. HP means hemoglobin. That is 500 to 700 gram. Then universal blood donor, that is O RS factor negative. Universal blood recipient, that is AB, and their RS factor is positive. Then blood clotting time, in what time the blood is clot, that is 2 to 5 minutes. Average body weight, that is 70 kg in a healthy man or woman. Normal body temperature, that is 98 degree in 98.4 degree in Fahrenheit scale and 37 degree in Celsius scale. Then breathing rate, that is 16 to 20 per minute. We can breathe 16 to 20 per minute. Dental formula. Dental formula is different in adult and child case. Adult, that is 2123 by 2123 equal to 32. In adult there is 32 teeth. In child the dental formula is 2102 by 2102. That is total teeth is 20. Number of cranial nerves, that is 12 pairs. Number of spinal nerves, that is 31 pair. Largest endocrine gland, that is thyroid. Gestation period 9 months. The period in which the baby grow inside the womb are 253 to 266 days, approx 270 days. Normal heartbeat rate, that is 72 to 75 per minute. Largest gland, that is liver. You can see that is largest endocrine gland and this is largest gland. Largest endocrine gland is thyroid and largest gland is liver. Largest muscle in the body, that is gluteus maximus. Largest smooth muscle, that is present in uterus of a pregnant woman. Smallest muscle in the body, that is stapedius. Then largest artery, that is abdominal aorta. Largest vein, that is inferior vena cava. Largest WBC. WBC means white blood corpuscles, that is monocytes. Smallest WBC, that is lymphocytes. Greatest regeneration power, that the greatest regeneration power that have in liver. And the minimum regeneration power, that is on our brain cells. Menstruation cycle, that is from 28 days. That is about 28 days. Menopause. Menopause means the age when your menstruation is stopped, that is 45 to 50 years. Minimum distance for proper vision, that is 25 centimeter. Pulse rate, that is 72 per minute. pH of blood, that is 7.35 to 7.45. Total number of bones in a human body, that is about 206. Largest organ of human body, that is skin, which cover all our total body. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.